Hey folks, once again I'm trying to do a series. Firstly, I'm in Chico, so I'm kind of limited where I can go for the COVID things to make it more fun. So the only place I could go right now is Target, and they're very limited what kind of cars they have. Also, I tried Walmart today, and Walmart didn't have Jack for me. So I had to buy a bunch of cards from Target. So these kind of packs are only available at Targets. It is the top baseball 21 Series 1. It comes with two Kobe Billy the stuff, 6, 7 cards, blah blah blah. And it hasn't been opened yet, so look for contest card for a chance to win. Woo! I can't wait to win. So I was gonna get a prom, but there ain't no proms today. So what do they have for me, boys and girls? So I ordered some stuff from Amazon, so I'll be getting some order cards pretty soon. So here's the pack, like that. Let's see what I got. I really don't know this much about this time of year. Cards, I'm just doing to keep myself busy because of my leg injury. Okay. Sometimes a little fun, sometimes they come out. So I'm going to show the ones I like. I'm going to show you each card. Or if the card's kind of unique or something, I'll show you. Or a rookie card. So 67 cards. Let's see. So basically this is what they look like. Nick Health. I don't know much about him. So it's kind of like him. Year 20. This is rookie card. Something to keep in mind. Rookie cards. Try to find something cool. My teams like follows really is the Giants and Red Sox. I see a Red Sox card. I'll show you that. But I don't see anything. Futures. Nickel Horner. This is a future star card. Something to keep on the side. So I get more cards. So I get more. If the players play with the Dodgers, of course you got more of these more city ones. Kind of team players, their version of it. Put it on the side. I got a lot of these Buster Posey cards. Could be future Hall of Famer. He's I don't know this guy. Matt Williams used to be with the Giants in his playing days. Indians and Arizona. Now I think he's a third base coach. He lost his job. Made some mistakes during the World Series. They were not too happy. A lot of ace cards. So, Sean. Cool thing have a little anniversary, talking anniversary. I used to collect more cards back in the day. Here's the Washington Senator, used to be the Expos. Chicago White Sox. I like their closing hand. Here go the Blue Jays cards. This is kind of cool. And then it's kind of a checklist of players on the back of those things. Nah, I'm not seeing cards. I like it really so far. It's just these player cards, kind of a checklist. This one, actually, this was different. It has like with the most RBIs, hits, and all that fun stuff in the back. Getting good at doing this. Hope I get better in the future. I don't see cards that I really want to. So, what kind of cards do you collect? Do you baseball cards? Do you go old school? Ooh, World Series. Oh, this is a cool one. Milky Wilson World Series card. That's put on the side. That's kind of cool. He used to be the Boston Red Sox. One of the best players right now. Ooh, autograph card. Got one autograph. Gotta look this guy up. Check this out. Pedals. It's kind of cool. That goes in a good pile. I got a second autograph. Oh, autograph. Or piss. Tom Slugger swinging autograph. Like a card. Oh, it comes with a uniform. No, doesn't have a uniform. Most of the time it comes with uniforms, but this is kind of cool autograph. One of the best players right now. Love it at you. Had a big old fight with the Giants a while ago. No more autographs. Oh, cool. Autograph. One. That goes in a good pile. So far. Autograph. This guy. Kobe Bigler. I guess he's one of the best players right now. Eddie Martinez. I need to pay more attention to these players. Autograph. Like Mike Trout, one of the best players right now. Look at him. Well, this is kind of cool. This is like 1985 Topps, I think. This guy, what's his name? Joey Bart. He may take over a post expedition. Giants have a really good thing about him. Let's take that back. This is like 85 Topps. Looking. Retro card. Cards that comes with these things. Got Pigeon. This is. I guess they like this guy. I gotta look up his stats. That goes in the. What was this guy? In the service. Stars in the service. CT. And his wife Amber have made difference in lives. I guess he did some good things or something. Gets his own special kind of card. This guy. Got a good pile. I don't know, one of the players. There's been some good players back in the day, man. I used to follow like Bill Jackson. See if he's crediting, his injury with the football. Could have been like a decent ball player. But he always said he didn't want to become a Hall of Famer. He wasn't sure how long his career was going to be anyways. But he was a very humble person. He was not like Deion Sanders. A lot of people try to compare those two. I don't see any more. So this is pretty much it for the box. Chris, this guy right here, yeah, Chris Yoki. Yeah. With the Pittsburgh. I guess I heard good things about him. Well, you got 40 up in a good pile. Rookie. Got a rookie card. This guy right here. Got to go in the good pile. So that's been it for the video. Please like and subscribe. Hope I get better at doing this. I'm getting new at doing this. Let me see. I got that pile. Let me see. Go check everything first. I already did that pile. So yeah, please like and subscribe and let me know what you think. Do you collect baseball cards? All that fun jazz. And we have merch. Donate money to us. Buy more cards. Help my addiction to baseball cards. Woo! All right. Thank you. Bye.